In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create a Wise account in India. The first thing that you want to do is to open up your browser. Now you can do this from your mobile devices or Windows computer. From here, type wise.com and you will be taken to the official Wise website. Click sign up in minutes, and then you want to proceed by entering your email address. From there, simply select whether you want to open a personal account or business account. For most people, it's going to be personal account, and this is going to be the most important part. You simply want to type India on the country section. Click on continue. It will then verify whether you live in that specific country. So once again, just click on the continue button, and from here you then have to enter your Indian number, enter your new password, and from there you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.